Rashmi is here.
Okay.
You have to unmute yourself.
Unmute yourself, Rashmi. Yes. So you have 5 minutes of your time. She is also coordinator for India, and they do a lot of work in Delhi. They have made Delhi very, very great, isn't it? So please share your work and whatever you have to say. You got forum for next 3, 4, 5 minutes.
Thank you, Rajiv. I need to share my screen. Please allow me.
Yeah.
Now you are co-host, Rashmi. You can share.
Thank you so much.
Welcome, welcome.
Hello, everyone. This is Rashmi Kathuria speaking from Kulachi Hansraj Model School. And we started our journey in the year 2013 with the very small, purpose. And the purpose was that we need to get involved in one activity which was carried on forward for the British Council ISA award. And suddenly, because I was the ISA coordinator, I realized that I found something very, very interesting. And we all know that we are fortunate enough to get connected with Mr. Mika, who initiated this that is Environment Online event, which is a global virtual school in the year 2000. And we were fortunate and lucky teachers to get connected with him through this particular program. And we started doing activities in our school. This is the first picture which we took for the brigade. And you see the paper clips, paper cards created by the children that I care for my environment. And this sensitized us, empowered us as a teacher, and we collaborated with schools in different parts of Delhi and other than Delhi as well. And this is our school principal with her vision and leadership. When we received this first certificate, it inspired all the children. And we promised and participated in ENO Trilympics. You know that ENO is celebrating 2 UN days, and that itself is a great thing. In the month of May, on 11th of May, and in the month of September, that is the International Peace Day. This is a small brigade of students which started with the event, and the team increased. And you see that all the teachers, parents, and different stakeholders in the school organization connected and celebrated the Peace Day and the Biodiversity Day. The children at the younger school, they were also excited to bring planters from home and plant and create a nursery in the house. You see how excited these children are, and these are the future of our country. And we have to give them something which is very, very unique. And one thing which we can give to them is clean environment, pure environment. And that is our job as a teacher. It is rightly said that every tree counts. And we have to sensitize the young generation to do some activities on regular basis so that they get empowered. Now you see, the team is increasing. Here, we were so happy and enlightened, and children created this human big logo to reach to the society that yes, ENO, we are with you. Our school principal gave message to the children, parents, that it is not just 2 days that we have to take care of our environment. You can pick and choose all 365 days to be ready to contribute to the environment. Here you can see that the children visited different classrooms. I'm happy to share with you that our institution belongs to DAV and we have more than 6,500 students in our school. It's a huge campus which is reaching to community, and these small young ones are taking initiative of reaching to the community. Each and every one of us is ready to be a part of it. I was a lucky one to get connected with Mr. Rajiv and Ronnie as ENO coordinator in 2016, and that gives an ownership to reach to maximum people. Then we continued our journey, and through our school clubs, we reached to different parts of the society. The children, they visited local areas, they participated in rallies, they went to the nearby neighborhood areas, and we started programs in more than hundreds of schools. See that all the children who were participating, they were getting certificates, and their parents were also happy to give this particular responsibility to them. The journey of peace is on. We plant a tree for peace every year. I'm happy to share with you that the Embassy of Finland in Delhi agreed to partner with our school, and Miss Nina visited our school to commemorate the 100th birthday of Finland, and we planted trees in our school and organized myriad of activities, role play, and a plant was there in our school campus which was done by Miss Nina herself. The community members also joined in, the alumni and various people from the Delhi Embassy visited our school and connected with people all over. Now you see 100 plants, 100 saplings were donated to the neighborhood areas, to the smaller children, so that they get sensitized to nurture the environment with their goodwill, and the peace message was shared with them that through our little contribution we can do enough. After that, the journey is not over. With the strong leadership and contribution of these little children, we are able to accomplish connection with more than 800 DAV schools, and we see that on 4th of October, again with the collaboration and partnership with Embassy of Finland in Delhi, we were able to organize one huge event in our school in which the community members also joined in. And here you see that the address was reached to more than 6,000 people, and they planted trees and sapling. A cycling activity was also conducted, and variety of programs were organized to reach to community, to sensitize the young generation and take ownership. You see, every contribution counts. It's not just that we have to stop doing our work. Every human being, every individual who is there on this planet has to contribute in their own way. Only then we can achieve our goals. Now you see, we are partnering with more than 20 countries, and whenever any visitor comes to our school, we perform tree planting activity, and that's a habit now. On 30th November, Light a Lamp, Make a Lantern activity was conducted, which motivated lots and lots of children all over the world. And it's 2020 now. In this COVID-19 pandemic situation also, we have not stopped. You see, these lucky little children, they have created a nursery at home, and they are taking care of their saplings, writing poems, making posters, and doing their bit. So act now, 2020, peace is green. That's a great theme. Happy birthday to ENO, and thank you, Mr. Mika, Mr. Rajiv, and all the people who are here today, who are contributing in their own way. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajiv,
Yes.
for giving the opportunity. It was a pleasure to share thoughts and views, and I would just like to say that as a teacher, I have evolved as a better teacher. And with people, when we do certain work in the society, we get connected with like minded people, and you see how the dream of Mika is now turning after 20 years into a huge revolution. We are there with all of you. Together, we can achieve everything. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you so much. You see, in ancient Indian traditions, there are a lot of fables and stories. So somewhere in Sanskrit it says, as long as you just dream it, it's your dream. Once you let it out, it becomes everybody's dream. It's no longer yours only. So Mika is here in the session. I know he must be getting very emotional, and it has become all of our dreams. And for the knowledge of people who are not directly connected with NO Bhatia, you'll be surprised there's a voluntary organization. Every single person is either an educator, teacher, an NGO, an individual who has opted to join it. They use their own resources, their own time to do this activity. They do not get paid, and they have taken NO to every single corner of this planet. Thank you, Rashmi. Thank you so much. I will now turn to one